Hey guys, gals, Dale here. Central PA, first day of 2021, and it's 2:18 p.m. We are having an ice storm right now. See if I can show you a little bit, maybe. I am dead center in that screen. Central PA. And the ice is coming down. I can hear it hitting against my air conditioner. So 2021 is not starting out too well for us here in Central PA anyway. I think they're expecting, I don't know. There's a severe weather warning until sometime tomorrow, 4 or 5 p.m. or so. It's raining, sleeting right now. Looking out my window, I can see the cars going by pretty slow. I charged up all my battery banks and I downloaded a bunch of movies on my tablet. In case the power goes out, I'll have something to watch. I got all my flashlights charged up. Everything's sitting right here where I need it. Probably good chance of the power going out with the ice storm. Was it 2 weeks ago? We got 17 inches of snow. And now we're having ice. You just can't beat Central PA. So we'll get through it. I got a means of, I have a gas heater here, so if power goes out, I can stay warm. And I got my flashlights and all that stuff here. And my tablet so I can watch movies. So everybody, I hope you had a happy new year. I made sauerkraut and wieners and pork and sauerkraut and wieners so I could have some hot dogs with sauerkraut. And it turned out pretty well. I haven't eaten yet today. Pretty soon I'm gonna go out and have a hot dog or a couple hot dogs with sauerkraut. And I don't know. We're gonna wait and see what happens. Got my truck in the garage in case it gets, I don't want it to get all full of ice if I have to go somewhere. So I'll be able to just jump in it and pull it out of the garage and go to the store if I have to go to the store, which I probably don't until Sunday. I'm pretty good shape. Pretty good shape here as far as food goes and everything. So I just wanted to show you what was going on in Central PA. I'm going to give you one more look at it. See here what we can do. It's not cooperating. My tablet's not cooperating with me. There we go. And like I said, I'm dead center of what you're looking at. If you can see that little icon there, that's where I'm at. And it's coming down pretty good right now. Even my dog doesn't want to go out. She was fussing about wanting to go out, and I opened the door and she took a look out there and she turned around, went back and laid on the couch. That's probably what I'm going to do here pretty soon, but I'm all set up for everything. I got flashlights, got my gas heater, got everything ready, and I can watch movies on my tablet if the power goes out. So you guys all take care, and I'm glad, well, I hope you had a happy new year. So this will be Dale out. As soon as I find my clicker. Dale out.